It is not easy to make lifestyle and dietary changes. Introducing something new in the diet and sticking to it for a healthier life could require a lot of energy and effort. You see, it's easy to get into a rut and start eating the same thing over and over. Feel frustrated? And then give up. When it comes to vegan challenge food plans, you may need to push yourself a bit more in the right direction. In this program, a case study of two women who started a 1-month vegan challenge diet is provided. Samantha and Laura share the same qualities in that they are both 41-year-old mums with 2 kids. Laura started the program, and after just 1 week, she had already shed off 2 pounds. This is because she was strict on the vegan challenge diet. However, things took a toll on her after going out with her friends for one night. When she ate chicken kebab, she gained weight again. Samantha, on the other hand, was so strict with her 1-month vegan challenge, and after 2 weeks of taking the challenge, she experienced an improvement in her energy levels, she felt much lighter and her skin became clearer. Consequently, she realized that she had lost 3 inches off her waistline. This was very encouraging to her and she stuck on the diet for the whole month. The main reason why Samantha achieved these positive results is that she stuck to the diet, and within that 1 month, her eating habits had completely changed. Without making any mistakes during this period, Samantha felt unstoppable and healthier than ever before. This program comes with a guide that explains and shows you everything in 5 modules. The 1-month vegan challenge is dedicated to helping people change their lives through changing their diet and lifestyle. They aim to provide the best and most practical advice to people interested in using a vegan diet for losing weight and boosting energy. By analyzing 1-month vegan challenge review, in 1-month vegan challenge special program, it is obvious that you will learn how to drop your eating habits, especially eating flesh. Through such a vegan leap, you will know about recipes that will help you with weight loss and also understand the trouble of eating non-vegan foods, meat, fish, or dairy products. It is better to monitor the progress of your vegan before a month and vegan after 1 month. You will feel tremendously changed and better. It includes tons of vegan recipes such as blueberry oatmeal waffles, bean burritos, vegan mac and cheese, sweet and sour tofu dishes, and much more. Plus, bonuses that help you thrive and eat like a king, every single day, and will be one of the best decisions you ever made for your health. Benefits of using this program. 1. A complete simple-to-follow program for beginners. 2. Gain more energy with this 1-month vegan diet plan. 3. Shed unwanted weight off your body. 4. You will be getting a better sleep that gives you a pleasant wake-up. 5. Your skin will be radical-free and cleansed. 6. You will be peaceful and happy. 7. Your hair will be shiny and strong. 8. You will be in an accomplished state. Final verdict. All of the above are just some of the amazing results that people experience after taking this 28-day challenge. Based on the analysis, it is clear that the 1-month vegan challenge doesn't simply promote a specific lifestyle, but also guides consumers to living it. Also, from the reviews that have been left by people who have tried this program, it is evident that this 28-day vegan challenge works and is very effective. Instead of eating out, you will have the privilege of preparing healthy and delicious meals from scratch. Though this routine may not be for everyone, it can be a major kickstart for healthier living.